underarms are a common concern that many of us face, causing both embarrassment and discomfort. These darker patches often appear around areas like the elbows, knees, and underarms, and they can be attributed to a variety of factors. Exposure to UV rays, accumulation of dead skin cells, and improper skincare practices all play a role in this phenomenon. However, there's no need to despair, as there are effective solutions available that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine at home. By understanding the root causes and taking proactive steps, you can effectively tackle this issue and restore confidence in your skin. So, let's explore some simple yet powerful remedies together to bid farewell to dark underarms once and for all. Here are the top 3 common causes. 1. Friction. So, let's break down the impact of friction on our skin. Friction occurs when there's repeated rubbing or chafing on the skin's surface. This rubbing can arise from wearing tight clothing, where the fabric constantly brushes against the skin, or from skin-on-skin contact, particularly in areas like the underarms. Over time, this friction can lead to a darkening and thickening of the skin in these regions, exacerbating the appearance of dark underarms. The delicate skin in the underarm area is particularly prone to this effect due to its sensitivity. To prevent this, it's essential to opt for looser-fitting clothing and minimize skin-to-skin contact in these areas. Additionally, using barrier creams or powders can help reduce friction and protect the skin from further darkening. 2. Irritation. Skin irritation can stem from various sources, including shaving, sweat, and reactions to personal care products like antiperspirants. When we shave, especially in sensitive areas like the underarms, the razor can cause tiny cuts or abrasions on the skin, leading to irritation. Additionally, sweat itself can irritate the skin, particularly when it accumulates in areas with limited airflow, such as the underarms. Furthermore, certain ingredients in personal care products, such as fragrances or preservatives, can trigger allergic reactions or irritate the skin, resulting in redness, itching, and even hyperpigmentation over time. To mitigate these issues, it's essential to adopt proper shaving techniques, use gentle skincare products formulated for sensitive skin, and opt for antiperspirants or deodorants that are free from potential irritants. Keeping the skin clean, dry, and well moisturized can also help prevent irritation and minimize the risk of hyperpigmentation. 3. Acanthosis nigricans. Acanthosis nigricans is a medical condition. It's characterized by darkening and thickening of the skin, typically in areas with folds or creases, such as the underarms, neck, groin, and sometimes the elbows and knees. This condition is often associated with hormonal changes, particularly insulin resistance, obesity, polycystic ovarian syndrome (PCOS), and diabetes. The darkened patches may appear velvety or rough in texture and can range in color from light brown to black. While acanthosis nigricans itself is not harmful, it may indicate an underlying health issue that needs attention, such as insulin resistance or diabetes. Treatment typically focuses on addressing the underlying cause, such as managing blood sugar levels through diet, exercise, and medication. Additionally, topical treatments or procedures like laser therapy may help improve the appearance of the affected skin. If you notice any changes in your skin, especially darkening or thickening in areas like the underarms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and management. For underarm prevention and treatment, here are some simple yet effective strategies to prevent dark underarms and minimize risk factors. 1. Choose loose-fitting clothing. Opt for clothing made from natural fabrics like cotton, which allows for better airflow and reduces friction against the skin. Tight clothing can exacerbate friction and lead to darkening of the underarm area. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can increase skin-on-skin rubbing, especially in areas prone to friction like the underarms. Aim to maintain a healthy weight through regular exercise and a balanced diet to minimize this friction. 3. Use barrier creams or anti-chafing sticks. Apply barrier creams or anti-chafing sticks to areas prone to friction, such as the underarms, to protect the skin. Look for products containing ingredients like petrolatum, shea butter, or colloidal oatmeal, which provide a protective barrier and prevent irritation. 4. Practice proper shaving techniques. When shaving the underarm area, use gentle strokes and avoid applying too much pressure to prevent irritation. After shaving, soothe the skin with a gentle moisturizer like aloe vera, which has soothing and hydrating properties. 5. Incorporate skin brightening ingredients. Include skin brightening ingredients like lemon, baking soda, coffee, sugar, and honey in your skincare routine to exfoliate and even out skin tone. These natural ingredients can help remove dead skin cells, reduce melanin production, and reveal brighter, more radiant skin. By implementing these simple yet effective strategies, you can bid adieu to dark underarms and welcome smoother, more even-toned skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare routines, so stick to these remedies and watch your underarms transform. The skin around our elbows, knees, and underarms often darkens due to a variety of reasons such as exposure to harmful UV rays, the accumulation of dead skin cells, and improper skincare practices. However, fret not, as several natural remedies can effectively tackle this hyperpigmentation and restore your skin's natural radiance. Lemon Power. Lemons are renowned for their brightening properties. You can create a simple yet effective exfoliating mask by mixing lemon juice with gram flour and a pinch of turmeric. This potent concoction not only helps slough off dead skin cells gently, but also works to inhibit melanin production, leaving your skin visibly brighter and more even-toned. Aloe Vera Soothe. After shaving, the skin in the underarm area can become sensitive and prone to irritation. Aloe vera, with its natural soothing properties, can work wonders in calming irritation and moisturizing the skin. Applying aloe vera gel post-shaving helps prevent further darkening and keeps the skin hydrated and supple. Baking soda brilliance. Baking soda is a versatile ingredient known for its skin brightening properties. For dark elbows and knees, mix baking soda with milk to create a gentle exfoliating paste. Alternatively, blend it with coconut oil for the underarms. This powerful combination effectively exfoliates the skin, evens out the skin tone, and reveals a radiant complexion. Coffee Charm. Your morning cup of coffee can offer more than just a caffeine boost. Coffee grounds make an excellent natural exfoliant, helping to scrub away dead skin cells and reveal fresher-looking skin. Combine coffee grounds with coconut oil for added moisture and essential oils for a delightful fragrance. Incorporate this scrub into your weekly routine for smooth, even-toned skin. Sweet Sugar Scrub. For a gentle yet effective scrub, combine sugar with honey to create a natural exfoliant. Sugar helps remove dead skin cells, while honey provides deep hydration, making it perfect for sensitive areas like elbows and arms. This sweet sugar scrub leaves the skin feeling soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. By incorporating these simple yet powerful natural ingredients into your skincare routine, you can bid farewell to dark underarms and welcome smoother, more even-toned skin. Don't wait any longer. Give these remedies a try and share your glowing results with us. Your journey to radiant skin starts now. As we wrap up, let's keep in mind that brighter, smoother underarms are totally achievable. With these easy-to-follow tips, you can wave goodbye to those pesky dark spots and say hello to a more confident version of yourself. And hey, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to keep up with all the latest health and wellness tips. Bye for now. See you in the next one.